Hello guys. Today we're back again playing Cats Are Liquid. So yeah, let's start. Okay. So last video, I guess we were on room 9, just about to finish the world 1. So let's go back. Yep, I remember the orange circles are jumping for some reason. Who knows? Okay, we already saw this. Um, okay, these are pretty easy because they jump high and you don't have to worry about getting hit. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, okay, I'm stuck. Okay, um, yeah, this level is kind of hard. It's not too hard, but I'm stuck. Oh no, no, oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, I had to take damage. It's fine because there's a checkpoint. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I just paused it. Okay, let's try to not get stuck this time. Yay, checkpoint. Oh, okay, I forgot. These things are here. The orange squares. Okay, now I actually know what to do. Just gotta have patience. See, you just need patience, and you have to time this correctly. Just like that. See, I didn't even take one damage. Okay, I think it's a bit more easy now that I know what to do. Okay, there's three of them. Come time it. Oh, okay. That was really close. Let's go through here and okay. Yeah, that's the end of this level. So, ooh, whoa, what happened? Where's my tail? I don't have a tail. Why is everything like dark? Okay, I mean it makes sense. Is this gonna be like a boss fight? Why did you decide to stay in here? I don't know. I mean, it's the game. Oh, 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 okay. I thought. Okay, never mind. Okay, what's even happening? I can't see anything. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh, what is this? How is it? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, the checkpoint. Okay. This isn't going to help. Okay. I mean, I don't need help doing this. Okay, I can't see it. That is okay. Oh, okay. Will make it. Doing this will only make it worse. What will make it worse? I mean, I understand what's making it worse, but what is being worse? I don't know. Okay. So, what? Oh no, what just happened? I think my game is glitched. Yeah, I can't see anything. Let me just fix. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It just like stuck. It was just stuck. The colors changed. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's good because now I can finally see everything properly. Okay, just go upwards. Ooh, okay, almost hit the spikes. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Ooh, that was hard. I died. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Just gotta get through the simple level. It's actually probably not very simple. So now we're on world 2, level 1. And that's if that's what you want to call it, I guess. Down here, okay. Um oh, checkpoint. This was interesting. She didn't remember seeing a ring like this. Whoa, what is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a cutscene. Oh, what's happening? Whoa, why am I floating? Okay, what is happening? Is this good? I think it's good. Um, I'm just. Is something supposed to happen? What? What? Wait, what is this? Whoa! Wait, what? Okay, what just happened? Yeah, that's literally what I was saying. How can I? Whoa! Oh wait, what? Look at this. When I press down, like I become liquid. When I press the circle, I become air. What? Yeah, what? What happened? How? Probably because cats are liquid, and uh, well, I'm a liquid, and liquid can turn to gas. Yeah, that makes sense, kind of. The cat was panicking. Wow, that's really cool. Oh, okay. Whoa, I love that. Can literally just fly. It's really cool. Whoa, what did that thing do to her? Okay. I mean, it's better. It's way more cooler now. I can literally just do this. Yeah, I can. Why did it do this to her? It's not a bad thing, but that's cool. It just made everything more easier. Hey, look at this. I can just fly. Okay, checkpoint. She hadn't done anything to it. What do you mean? The game is like, oh, it's such a bad thing. I mean, it's helping me progress. Look at this, like, ow, ouch, ouch. Okay, yeah, okay. You can just fly and boom. Yay! The the cat had calmed down. Great. She understood that her new ability. She thought she understand now her new. Okay, whatever. Destroy these blocks, whatever they are. Okay, let's just go over here, I guess. Okay. Maybe it wasn't that bad after all. Yeah, of course it isn't bad. It's way more cooler. Whoa, this is giant, okay. It had already proved to be useful. Yeah. See, like here I can just fly up here. Way more easier and cool. Okay. I wonder if we are gonna get like a third power. Like maybe you can like I don't know. You can freeze water, so that's cool. Oh, wait a minute. Is that a spawner? Level felt more open than the previous ones. Yeah, it's more bigger. Also, there's like a spawner. What's this? What the? Oh, whoa! This is really cool. These are like pushing me. It meant that she was getting closer to the exit. I don't know. Those blocks look really cool. Like they just follow you. Oh wait! Is this a secret? Oh my gosh! I think I just found a secret. I think so. I don't know. Oh my gosh! I think I found a secret. Whoa! Well, I found a checkpoint. Oh, there was literally nothing in there. Wait, what? I don't understand. Okay, what was that all about? So what if I just take it like the normal way? I don't understand. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Who cares? Yeah. Ooh, the cat was. That was sorry. The cat saw the bubbling orange liquid and immediately knew she couldn't touch that. Yeah, obviously it's lava. Maybe I don't know because it was orange. Whoa, there's like jumping fish squares, whatever. I don't know. Ouch. Okay, let's just go. And all orange hurt her. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, like lava. It's common sense. What's this? Oh, it's like a spawn. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I did that. I don't know. Sorry guys. There was some noise. So yeah. Okay. But okay, yeah. I accidentally what touched it. I guess. Okay, I don't know. Okay, and orange water. Okay, I know. Yeah, this is where I died. Really isn't that hard to die here, but okay. She didn't know why though. Okay, come on. This is really boring because they don't. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, let's go upwards, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stack. Okay, that's fine. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, let's uh, but play again. I guess I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's another checkpoint. Okay, that's good. Okay, I accidentally hit it, but that's fine. Yeah. She wanted to get out. Yeah, obviously. Why would I want it to be here? I wish like the flying ability would go faster. Ooh, okay, almost hit the spikes, but we're almost there. Like literally right there. Okay, little challenge. That's fine. That's fine. And boom. Let's go. What's this? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna zoom. I'm zooming. This room was tilted. Yeah. Yeah, everything's tilted in here. I really like these little blocks. I don't even need these steps. Like, look at this. I can just fly. Okay, let's just slowly just fly up here. Okay. Oh, okay. That was really bad timing. Okay. Just gotta destroy these cubes. She mostly just ignored it. Yeah, okay, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't even see that. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I went the wrong way. No. Imagine if they just kept going. Like I was just going in the direction. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Oop, okay. I timed that correctly. Okay. Yeah, here's the lava. That's certainly not good. Okay, they put cubes up there. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's the fish thingy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, okay. I don't understand why they were just automatically dying for no reason. As long as she would just get out of here. Okay. Okay, let me just. It's really hard to fly. Yay! She was getting tired of these rooms. To be honest, I am too. Ouch! Get out of the way. Ouch. Okay. She wanted to get out. Whoa, why did these cubes stop moving? I don't know. Okay. Whee! Okay, the flying ability is pretty slow. And yeah, there we go. We're here. We're here at the top. Okay. Got a checkpoint. Okay. Okay, that was bad timing again. Oh my god, get out of the way. One is like riding on top of me. Ouch. Okay, this is the one I got stuck with. How do I even kill this thing? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm almost dead. That's not good. Whoa, okay. There was a huge lake of orange liquid below her. Whoa! Oh my gosh, why are these guys here? She felt scared. Oh my gosh, the train is spawned on top of me? Wait, how am I supposed to get out of here? Oh, okay, I see. I just have to like turn to air, I guess. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this even more lava, I guess. Another lake of orange liquid. That's not good. Okay, almost fell. Okay, so that's enough for today. Leave a like and subscribe.